guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I thought I'll just go ahead and share with you the two boxes that I received. Actually, I can't really call them boxes. One of them was a box that I had ordered from the Backstage dressing room, and the other is actually just two items that I ordered off this Instagram page that have really been liking recently. So I'm just going to show you what I received in my packages this and I have been waiting excitedly. Another thing I wanted to share with you guys was most of you all have already seen my video on the Backstage dressing room and the boxes that she curates. Unfortunately, the boxes that I had ordered in December never reached me. I had ordered two boxes and I heard that a lot of people had not received their boxes. However, it wasn't really the curator's fault because she had gone ahead and shipped those items out. It's just that it got lost in the mail. She also gave us a tracking number. We went to, I did go to the post office. They said there was some mix up about the packages, and you know, it really wasn't worth the hassle, so I just left it. But I was surprised to receive this package from the Backstage dressing room, last month, because I don't really expect her to send me anything, but she did actually send me one package. It was kind of like a surprise package, probably a way to say sorry for us not receiving the previous package. But yeah, here's what I received from the Backstage dressing room. So the first thing in this package is this pretty bracelet. It's like a charm bracelet and it looks so adorable. See, it has like dragonflies on them and they're so beautiful. She also sent us this 36-hour waterproof eyeliner. I haven't really opened it because I already have one that I have not used. It's a liquid liner and it has a felt tip to it. It really works. It really is a nice liner. It's not really a branded one, but yeah, it is actually good and it lasts for a really long time. Then I received these cute peacock earrings, and that's how they look. Let me try them on for you. So that's how they look. It's really pretty. I'm not sure what's wrong with my skin these days. For the past 1 week I've been having like breakouts all over the place. I actually tried a new cream. I'm guessing that's the reason why, or maybe it's because I'm not drinking enough water. I'm not sure, but in case you guys have any suggestions of how to avoid these pimples from coming, please mention it in the description box below. I'll be very glad to try them out. The next product that I also received in the Backstage dressing room box is this crazy lips. So it's kind of like a fake for the baby lips, and yeah, I mean, how blatant can the copying get? Yeah, but it's crazy lips and it is actually colored. Like you can see, it's a lip balm. It is colored. Let me try and swatch it for you. It has a very light tint to it. You may not even be able to see that tint. It's just nice for, yeah. This is the Joy Pure Neem Face Pack. It's like a really cute, small, travel-friendly package. And I've heard about this brand, but I've never tried it. So I'm excited to actually try this out. It says it has 3 benefits: cleanses impurities, fights acne and pimples, and soothes skin irritation. So I guess this should work for my pimples that I'm having right now. I hope it does. And this costs 20 rupees. So yeah, that's the next product. I also received another set of earrings. I don't have them on me right now. I would have showed it to you. I already used them. But this is the other pack of earrings that she had basically sent for us. So these are like studs, and it's like one entire package of studs. Those are all the things that I received in my package from the Backstage Dressing Room. It was actually a surprise because I had given up hope on receiving those products and the box, but I was glad that I actually did receive it. So thank you so much, Backstage Dressing Room, for sending that off for me.